Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change administrator on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you want to do is just right click on your start. From here, go to run. Inside run, type netplwiz and click on OK. Then you'll find this user accounts. From here, as you can see, I have only one account, so I cannot change administrator because you need multiple accounts to change your administrator access. So to do this, what you need to do is just add another account. Just give it any name and click on next. You can set a password if you want. Then click on finish. Now to give administrator access to this new account, just click on it. Then click on properties. Then from here, go to group membership. Then just select administrator. Click on apply. Click on OK. And there you go. The account has got administrator permission. Now you need to just log into your new account and remove administrator permission from your old account. And basically that is how to change administrators on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.